Hey, good morning, Bob, Trade Genius, the 26th of February. And this is the next in my series of Get Out. Here's another piece of data. This is the insider transaction ratio. This is the smartest of all the smart money because these are the people who actually are running the companies that are trading publicly. And since the election, they've been selling, and they've been selling hard. And you look at that big spike in January, we're getting another big spike in February. These people are selling their shares in the companies in which they work for. Okay? So that should be a big warning for you because these people know that they're getting probably the best price they're going to get, or they'd keep it. Most of these people are rich, so they wouldn't be selling unless they think the value of what they have sitting in a stock option bank is better off being converted to cash. And I think that's what they think. So I just want you to bear that in mind. And I'm going to try to do another video later if I could find the article, but I'll just tell you now in case I don't. So these Friday ramps, but these end of the day ramps that have been coming just constantly, I think the mystery is being resolved on them. It's that it's because of the passive ETF funds. They rebalance at the end of the day, so they're buying because all the money being poured into these ETFs going long. And so that's something to bear in mind. And what's interesting to me is, just so you know, whenever these mysteries get resolved, and we get to learn about them, it's at the end of them. So last week, about a week or so ago, they talked about the Citadel and their call selling program. Well, as soon as that became public, the stock market has stopped going up. Okay, it stoned it, and because they wanted the retail to know that this was happening, so that retail can go in there and try to take advantage of it. Market's gone nowhere since then, and now they're telling us about the retail coming in and passive funds to get people to buy into that story to try to front run it. And you're going to probably start seeing the end of the day ramps fail. Just bear in mind, just watch this. You're never given news that's going to be helpful to you. Once you find out about the news, you're already too late for the story. But anyway, look at this transaction ratio information. I mean, the smart money's getting out. You can believe whatever you want to believe, but these people are voting with their pocketbook. You guys have a great day. I'll catch you later. Bye.